Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is NGumah, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. Now, the PDT rule is very annoying for beginners, especially beginners who are trying to grow a small account into a big account. In today's video, I'll be showing y'all exactly how to get around it. I will be sharing the 2 best ways to get around it, okay? I will also be sharing my own thoughts on why the PDT rule is actually a gift and a curse, and getting around it is not the best option. The first way to get around the PDT rule is to actually change the account type that you have from a margin account into a cash account, okay? And this is actually very beneficial to option traders like myself because of the difference in the settlement time. Let's look in here. I made this Word doc to really explain this into very simple terms. The settlement time, the time it takes for your money to settle and to be available to trade on that specific day. For people who trade stocks, the settlement time is 2 days, meaning that if you buy a stock on Monday, right, you day trade it, okay, you will not have access to that money until Wednesday, okay. You will not have access to that money on Tuesday, and the money will be settled on Wednesday to be used for another day trade. And then after you use that money for another day trade, you won't have access to that money on Friday, which is pretty much the same annoying thing as the original PDT rule. But for option traders, right, the settlement time is only for 1 day. Meaning that if you use your whole balance on your account, let's say you have $1,000 in the account, right? And you want to use all of it on a very clean pattern that can give you about 50% profit on your money. So you get into that trade on a Monday, right? You hold until you reach your price target, you sell those contracts, you make 50% on your money. Now your $1,000 turns into $1,500, right? You won't have access to that money until Tuesday, okay? And then you can try to find another pattern again and repeat the same process again. And every time you win, you won't have access to that money to make another mistake that could potentially make you lose on that same day. So if you're green on that day, you're green. That's it. All you have to do is just wait until the next day and try to be green again. So setting up a cash account, especially for people who trade options instead of chasing penny stocks, right? You get 5-day trades per week instead of 3-day trades per week. That is the first way to get around the PDT rule. The second way to get around the PDT rule is by opening multiple margin accounts that will each grant you 3-day trades per trading week, okay? So if you, for example, if you have 3 of them, 3 margin accounts, you will get 9-day trades per 5 days instead of 3-day trades per 5 days. Now here's why I think the PDT rule is actually a gift and a curse, right? It's a gift because, again, if you look at the PDT rule itself, like really look at it, the P stands for patterns, patternology. So it really applies to people who trade patterns that can really take advantage of those day trades. Like those day trades are really valuable, especially when you know that you cannot just waste it on something that's not quality. If you notice all of my videos that have been posted online, all of them, right? Like throughout this entire time, I have been under the PDT rule and I have been growing like small balance into a large balance, rinsing and repeating. And all of that is because of the pattern day trading rule. It literally forces you to trade less and make more, to only pick high quality patterns, which I love, right? And to not turn into a scalper. And if you don't know what a scalper is, it's people that trade on like a 1-minute chart or a 20-second chart, right? They get in really quickly and then 10 seconds later, 2 minutes later, they get out immediately just for that little chunk of profit, right? And then they just try to do it again and again and again. And honestly, like I personally, I don't like it. This is not a diss to the successful scalpers out there. Again, if you like scalping, that's your thing. I'm just saying that we are not the same. So to all the beginner traders who are really eager to have more day trades per week, again, focus on quality. Okay, just because you have more trades per week, it doesn't mean that you're gonna make more money. It literally gives you more opportunities to lose your money if you don't know what you're doing. So again, as I always recommend to beginner traders, start small. Like if you're able to grow $100 into $1,000 into $10,000 comfortably, emotionlessly, right? Then sure, that is a great way to build good habits, right? And only using your day trades for the best setup that offers the most money. If you have any questions, definitely put them in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as I can, or I will make another video about it and explain it to you and for everybody else who's watching. If you're new to this channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram. I do post the patterns that I spot daily, and I do post my entries and my exits on there as well. My name is Paul with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see y'all on the next one. Take care.